Hi sir, in this video I'm going to give a quick walkthrough of our Instagram style app interface. I show you the main screen, how each section works, and what the user do inside the app. Okay, this screen, home screen. This is the home screen. At the top we have a story bubbles where users can tap to view stories. Below the is the main feed. And miracles from friends and Kalakos appeared at the bottom. We have the notification bar with icons for home search and Reels shop and profile. Next, Reels. Next is the Reels page. User can swipe vertically to browse short videos on the right side. Are quick action buttons like comment, heart, share, and save. Button is the music or audio used therein. Is and text and chat. So chat din naman tayo mo dito. Um, yung chat naman, this is a chat page. You can see your inbox, message, request, and the search bar at the top. User can tap any conversation to continue to chatting or start a new message. Next is the search page. How we have a search screen at the top is the search bar, and below it is the explore grid showing recommended posts, reels, and accounts. Yan. Kung titingin niya sa kapag search ka dito, pwede mo ibaba yan. Yan, next tayo sa profile page. Yan. This is a profile screen. At the top, the user profile picture, bio, the follower, counts, kung below highlights, post display in grid or this view buttons like edit profile, share profile, and profile are also available. Pag swipe mo, dyan na lahat. Dyan na. Pag magpa-plus ka naman dito sa, magpunta siya sa camera. Yan. Settings. X. Kung X mo wala yan. Webcam. Punta siya dito. X. Photos naman. Punta siya dito sa mga photos. Tapos, settings. Basta sa settings, punta sa story. Dito na sa lahat. Story. Sban. Reels. Um, live naman. And then, yan. Bumalik siya sa dito. Tapos X. X. Yun nasa YouTube. Pwede siya dito. Tapos pwede siya dito. Profile. Dito din naman. And settings. Pwede naman dito siya. Settings. Basta. X. X. O yan. sir, and thank you. So, dito pa lang ginawa ko sa pagkita ko na lang. Sinigyan ko na lang pakikita ulit. Tapos, sa camera. Si photos, dito siya pumunta. Tapos, substantial.